Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima the Camel and I are glad that you have joined us. Yes, Anne and I are excited to see you here. What do we have today? Today we have what is now known as Boxy Charm by Ipsy. This is the May 2023 box. This is their second collaboration merger box. I don't know what you want to call it. The first box was a little difficult. So let's see how box number 2 is going. Okay, let's go. The box came with a generic card. They can't do specifics anymore because with people making 3 choices, which is a new thing, with people making 3 choices, it would just be very impossible to do a card. I did, however, get an email that told me pricing and information about the items in my box. So I was pleased with that. And the card just says, "Let yourself bloom, bring on brighter days and warmer weather." Yes, please, if anyone has connections to Mother Nature, we're freezing our fur off down here in Southern California. Tell her to bring on the warmer weather. And now jumping into what I got in my box. Yes, let's go. First up, I purchased 2 add-ons. These were $3.50 each. They have different levels of add-ons. They start at $3.50 and it goes up from there. I saw 2 things in add-ons that sounded intriguing. So for $3.50 each, we have from Glow Recipe the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. And that is what it looks like. It's a sample size, and I knew that going in. But for $3.50, I thought, we'll give it a try. We also got, this is Clay Date from Dew of the Gods. This is a brand that I have used before with a body scrub product, and I enjoyed it. So when I saw this for $3.50, I thought, I'll give it a try. This will have its results eventually shown on my Battle of the Clay and Facial Masks playlist. If you haven't checked that out, do so after you watch this video. You will enjoy it. Oh yes, they are good. It is fun to have a battle. So this says it is AHA activated pink clay mask for healing and hydrating. So what actually came in the box? We're getting there, girl. We're getting there. Just slow down a little bit. I get excited. I've noticed. So the way the box works now is they pick 2 items for you, and then you get to make choices on the other 3. And one of the items they picked for me was this iconic London eyeshadow palette. This is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. I'm very excited to see some of the colors in here. It's not my favorite color palette, yet I think I can have some fun with this. I'm learning to like some more muted colors. And this means I get to do swatches later. Oh, goody. They also picked the Whispering Rosé blush palette from Violet Voss. I'm excited to see some of these colors. It does come with a mirror, so I'm trying to do this without blinding everybody. And we're not going to swatch this one today. Aww. Because I already have a couple open and I don't want to wind up with too many things open. But this one does look like it has some fun colors in there and some colors that you could maybe mix and blend together. So I was very pleased with their 2 choices that they made for me. Much more pleased than I was with the prior box. Then came the part where I got to make 3 choices. Now, I do realize I need another lip product, like I need a hole in the head. However, this is a lip scrub. It's in shiny packaging. Oh, I like that. Me too. We're both attracted to shiny things. The shade is clear. The brand, I hope I can get this right, Belle en Argent. And this is what she looks like. So it's a lip scrub, and I appreciate a good lip scrub that comes in lipstick form, so you're not having to stick your fingers into the goo all the time. So I was glad to be able to make this choice. Next, I chose a set of 3 brushes. Oh, they have some bling. Yes, they have a little bit of bling to them. They bring their bling. I have a feeling I'm going to need one of those for swatches. Okay, hold your horses over there, girl. We got one more thing to look at. Just settle down. Okay, I'll be patient. But I won't like being patient. That's a camel for you. And last but certainly not least, I picked another palette. Oh, there's 2? Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. This is amazing. This is the iconic London palette entitled Desk Till Dawn. Oh, I'm ready to do swatches. Impatient, impatient. Well, I can't help it. Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job with the swatches, Camel. Thank you. And that brush really worked out nicely. I like those new brushes. Good to know. So moving down to talk about the nitty-gritty real quick. You mean the pricing? I mean the pricing. So as I stated earlier, the new way that they are working this is they pick 2. Those are called the power picks. And then you get to pick 3. The box is $28 a month. And then by the time you put on fees and taxes, you're a little bit over $30. You get up to a $200 value, and you get free shipping. I happen to be an annual member, so that gets me a little bit of a discount. So all in, I'm at $28 a month. So they no longer are able to do a card. It just would not be feasible. However, I got an email that told me about the items in the box. What I hear via the grapevine is that not everybody gets an email. Do you think it's because you're an annual member? I'm wondering if that's the case. I don't know. If you know out there, let us know. Yes, please do. And let us know what you liked in this box. I liked everything. I'm happy with this box. Much happier than last month. So real quick from a pricing on the product standpoint, The iconic Beachside Babe palette is $40. The Violet Voss facial blush palette is $43. The brushes, which are called Slim's Glam Cotton Candy Trio of brushes. Took me a minute to figure out their name there. They are $38 and they are for highlighting, angled for blush, and also a powder brush in there. That's a tongue twister. The Desk to Dance palette from Iconic London was $62. And the lip scrub was $18. And that's everything there. So when I totaled it all up, my box came out to a retail value of $213. Oh, that's a good value. Not only is that a good value, I am so much happier with this box as compared to last month. So, yay, I think they've got something together. I will say, in comparing my profile, what I did was I went back in before this month choices came along. I went back in and I removed a lot of my skincare needs and therefore pushed a lot of stuff towards makeup needs. And I think that helped. So I am ecstatically happy with this month's box. Hopefully it will remain makeup heavy and just as fun for next month. So subscribe so you find out what happens next month. Oh yeah, you don't want to miss out. And like and comment and share and all that good stuff. Check out something that's popping up on the screen. And we certainly do hope to see you again in another video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.